Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about how to start a small business and how I taught a class and got a certificate of appreciation award. I hope you can see this. I've been creating, growing, and selling small businesses online for a profit for 24 years. Over the years, I won awards for my business success. My success stories were published in local newspapers and business magazines. I was given this certificate of appreciation from SCORE for teaching a course at a local college, how to start a small business. The college and SCORE gave me a certificate of appreciation award for teaching the class and sharing my personal success. My students loved hearing my story of how I started a small business from scratch with very little investment. Then I'd reinvest my money as the business grew and grew, to netting me over $50,000 a year. This was my Cool Tubes business, my business that I created. It was golf club, hand-knit golf club covers. You can see on my channel, there's another video that shows you my full business success story. I grew the business for 5 years and sold it for a $50,000 profit. It was just a small business that I ran from home. Not bad for a small business that I ran only on the internet from home. I did not have a brick and mortar store. I took orders for my products through a website that I had created. I had a brand for my business which grew rapidly by word of mouth about my brand and my website. I was shipping golf club covers all over the United States and to other countries. Sorry about that. The flag's blowing in my thing, but it's too dark to do a video in the house today. And I don't have my lighting set up yet. So, okay, sorry. Each business that I created, I gave a brand name to it. I was not just building a small business, I was building a brand. Each business grew because word got out about my brand, and people found me online by searching for my brand name. Each brand that I had a matching domain name. For example, Cool Tubes. I spelled cool, K-E-W-L, tubes, T-U-B-E-S.com. That was my website, and that was my brand name. It was also my domain name. It was my website and how people found me. So if a person went on to Google and did a search for my brand name, Cool Tubes, my website and my social media sites would come up in the search results. That's how potential customers found me and my websites and ordered my products. I was getting orders from Malaysia, Spain, of course all over the United States, but many other countries, because golfers spread the word. Hey, you got to check out these Cool Tubes. Look, I got these. And they were hand-knit golf club covers, the old-fashioned style with big pom-poms on the top. They were really cool. And you can see pictures of them in my other video. I'll try to link this video to that one in case you didn't see it yet. So if you're going to start a small niche business, give it a brand name. Then make sure you create social media accounts using your brand name also. You'll be surprised with the results. In other words, once you have your brand name, your domain name, your business name picked out, you want to create a Facebook business page. You want to create a Twitter account. You want to create an Instagram account, all using your brand name. And that way, when someone goes to Google and does a search for your business name, all different links are going to come up to your social media accounts, your website, everything. That makes it easy for people to find you and find out more about you. I've made my wealth over the years. I have a home that is almost paid off. I'm permanently disabled and just need to supplement my Social Security income now. So I no longer have the need to earn the big bucks like I was. So what I do now is run a print-on-demand t-shirt design business, which I earn small commissions from. And I work part-time as a business coach, consultant, and help people to do what I've done over the years. I'm doing this video because I want you guys to know that you're not dealing with somebody who don't know what they're talking about, somebody who has not been there, done that. I have. Both of the businesses have a brand name. My t-shirt business is Diane's Tees. And my business coaching consulting business is niche business ideas. I have a problem with that word niche. It's pronounced niche and I keep pronouncing it niche. Sorry. Even though they are small part-time businesses, I still gave each of them a brand name. It's a proven fact that this is what helped me to be successful all these years. I hope the information that I provided here helps someone. Feel free to contact me and definitely leave your comments below this video. I'll answer your questions and reply to your comments. Subscribe to my channel below this video, and also please give me a thumbs up for this video. I hope it's going to help some of you out there with an idea of what it is to start a business and build a brand name. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.